All right, guys, getting ready to go for a test drive in a 1956 Chevy 150. If you haven't seen this channel before, please subscribe. I post videos on muscle cars every single day. We got a whole entire classic car lot full of them at maplemotors.com. So hit that subscribe button. You can also check us out. We got about 1,000 videos here on YouTube that you can go through. When I get back from this test drive, I'm gonna do a little walk around, get up and close, look down the sides, look for any kind of flaws that I can find. Go ahead, pop the hood. 305, a lot of polished accessories. Aluminum pulley, aluminum radiator. No power steering on this one. Looks like it's got drum brakes all the way around. Let's get on with it. It's test drive time. Before we take off, I'm gonna look around on the inside of this car, kind of check over some of the electronics, see everything that I can find that works and doesn't. Interior looks pretty nice. Somebody stitched 56 Chevy in the seats. A couple speakers in the package tray back there. Headliner's in great shape. I guess we'll go ahead and start with turning her on. Checking my gauges here. Oil pressure's coming up. We have had it running quite a few times today, so the temperature's right over 150. Looks like the bolt's working. The gas gauge may be wrong. I don't know if it's completely full or not. We'll try the windshield wipers. Looks like they're working. We do have the face of the radio on the inside of the office. The clock, I don't believe it works. We're just gonna go ahead and say it don't work. Let me check out the heater. That knob feels messed up. The controls may be messed up on it. I'm just gonna say it don't work for the moment. What's cool about this one, it does have electric power windows and they're nice and smooth. They're also tinted. Let's roll. There's no armrest on the door, so when you shut it, you actually got to shut it by pulling the handle. I don't see any seat belts in this car at all. Looks like they upgraded the pedals. They got some aluminum or some billet accessories. B&M shifter in here. Horn does not work. Tilt column. It's like our turn signal lights are cutting on left and right. Little dummy switch over here. They pulled this column out of a different year Chevrolet. Feel like the emergency brakes engage it as well. It got tight. On a B&M shifter, you lift up. We're in reverse now, and then slap back. That's neutral. Slap back again for drive. Go ahead and let our mail lady by. It doesn't have power steering, but it's very easy to turn once you get rolling. Anytime I'm in that situation, all you got to do is roll a little bit and it'll turn. Of course, I can't see it all. Hopefully I don't get taken out. That'd be horrible. Got a lot of traffic. I'm trying to do this video right here at 4 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock traffic. It gets crazy around here. She said we're good. I'll trust the mail lady. Doesn't look like our speedometer's coming up at all. Just a little bit of slack in the steering, about that much. You can see the steering wheel is not centered up, but we're not pulling all over the road. It's going straight down the road. It is just a little 305. The kick down is not hooked up. That's matted right there. There's no kick down on this one. Try our brakes. Brakes stop fast. They definitely do. It kind of pulled me a little bit. They are drum. When it pulls a little bit, sometimes it's just dust. But it should stop doing that towards the end of the test drive. If it don't, I will let you know. It's still pulling to the right now. So you hit the brakes, it's pulling to the right just a hair. We go over all this stuff so that if you're coming out of state, you know exactly what you're getting in these cars. I don't want to sit here and lie to nobody. I want you to know what you're coming to get yourself into. That way you know all the problems before you purchase any vehicle from us. Other than that, the suspension feels nice and smooth. There's a big bump right here in the road. Went over it quite smooth. The little mirrors they put on here are kind of low. This one over here is pretty low. It's just not, I can't really see out. I can just see the ground right now. I need to adjust it, but I'll have to roll down that window and lean out there and mess with it. And I'm not going to do that right now. I'll just kind of turn around. They are really cool though. It's a different style mirror there. You can see it's nice and smooth when you turn. Time to slide y'all in the driver's seat for a test drive of your own. Put y'all in the behind the wheel segment of my video. So we're looking pretty good. Temperature sitting right at 180. Oil pressure's right at 30. Gas gauge still hasn't moved from full, so I'm gonna go ahead and say that doesn't work. Voltmeter's doing good. Our mile per hour never worked the whole time, so. This car is very easy to drive. We'll try them brakes again, see if they're still pulling to the right. They are. They're still grabbing a little bit more and pulling us that way, so. Just got to be cautious. See how much it's pulling. Might get back and talk to one of my mechanics, see what he thinks. Brakes is an easy thing to fix. On this road here, there's a big old bump. We're gonna hit it. I want y'all to listen to the suspension. Overall, it feels pretty good, but there's a bump right up here in the middle of the road. Let this guy get a little bit ahead. gas. Here it is. Nice and smooth. So when I hit those brakes, watch the steering wheel. But I didn't do it that time. It moved a little bit that way that time. The dust may be just now getting cleared off. We'll try it again. We'll hit this straight right here. Usually I'll cut over to the lot about this point, so I'll pass it up and try these brakes again. I'm curious. Gotta wait for some of this traffic to get by. Well, while we're waiting, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Post videos every single day. Old classic cars. We get in close to 30 or 40 a month. Post about 10 a week to our website. And you can check that website out at MapleMotors.com. You can look below in the description below this video and get the website. You can get our phone number so you can call us in office and talk to us. Or you can comment below. I usually get back with you within 24 hours. All right, I'll try the brakes again. Let's see. It's still pulling to the right. I got on them pretty good. You hear it? They were like trying to screech on me. Shifter's very easy. On a B&M shifter, of course, you got to pull up, pull back, and there's your reverse, which reverse works great in this car. If you slap back once, you're in neutral. Slap back again, you're in drive. Well, to go to back to park, put it in neutral, pull up, and go straight to park. Just a quick B&M shifter tutorial. I appreciate y'all watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Please check out MapleMotors.com for 100 detailed pictures of inside out and underneath of this car. Or give us a call, 615-822-4444. Thanks again, guys. Just a quick reminder, I'm getting ready to do a walk around, point out any kind of flaws on the outside of the car. You can click down in the bottom right corner to go to the next video, showing you the flaws on the outside, looking at the engine bay, and checking the interior out.